Trevor here. Today we are hitting up Gorreana Tea Factory, Poca Da Dona Beija, and Terra Nostra restaurant. Let's go.
So what's it gonna be today?
That, this one,
What's inside this one?
chocolate. Oh, can I also have this one, the ham and cheese?
Okay. What? Oh, Sherry, always going crazy with the treats. Okay, I think we got enough treats for the whole day. What's going on here? Honey, stop feeding the locals. That's it, honey, he's yours.
We're at Cha Gorreana, the only tea plantation left in Europe. So why don't we try some tea?
So how does it work here?
Well, no, you don't really need to give anything. It's free. However,
yeah.
why not? 50 cents each.
And here's a tea machine here.
So which one do you want?
Thanks, honey.
It was free to visit the grounds of Gorreana Tea Factory, the oldest and the only tea plantation in Europe. They even have free tea for you to try while taking a tour of the plantation.
Holy! What's going on?
He's putting his head in there. Okay.
I'm climbing you.
There's a walking trail, babe.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check it out. And looks like we found the start of the trail.
There's different trails. This one is the yellow and the red, obviously. So you just follow it.
We are entering the plantation. Honey! Holy, this place is like a maze. It's like a labyrinth. Look at this. Imagine what it would look like from above. You guys want to see it? Let's go. There's an intruder!
Hi.
What the? What's going on here?
We're taking him. Look, he wants to go inside my bag.
Wow. Excuse me, sir. I think you got the wrong car.
And we are at the furnas. It's been cold the whole day. And we want to try the hot springs here. Because apparently it's really nice. Our apartment provided us with yellow towels because
The water is actually yellow because it's filled with iron. So if you wear anything white, or don't wear your good bathing suits because
just wear something black. Don't wear anything white. Apparently this one is a bit smaller, but they have more pools and it's just nicer vibe in there. So let's try.
Open daily, 7 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Obrigado. Feeling fresh, right?
Yeah. We feel quite relaxed and rejuvenated for some reason.
Yeah, I'm actually feeling like revitalized, honestly. But we only spent like 45 minutes to an hour in there, so it wasn't too long. It was perfect.
It was really nice. We highly recommend it.
And they got lockers there for €1, but you got to give €20 deposit.
Or your car keys.
Yeah, you got to give your car keys, and then they give it back to you, obviously, when you return the key. €1 to take a shower. But
and also, I think the towels is also €1.
So we just bathed in sulfur. Now we're gonna go eat food that's cooked in sulfur. Let's go.
We decided to try furnas stew or cozido, since it is the most popular food here in the Azores. It is a variety of meats cooked underground by volcanic steam, which was pretty cool. Make sure to make your reservations. Sausage.
Pork belly. Pork feet.
Oh, thank God we only ordered one for one person.
So for 2 people, it's double that amount.
Double the amount. Oh my God,
Lord.
I would have died.
We have sweet potato.
Yes, he agreed that I would have died.
We have kale.
Wow.
How do you see this? Like
All right, thank you. What's that?
It's the broth.
the broth. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Thank you so much,
very
sir.
much.
I can't even make a dent of that. That is really good. It's really good. Nice and soft.
You like it?
It's good, yeah. With pork belly. So, are you enjoying it?
I think we got like all categories of meat going on here.
So there's chicken, there's
Pork belly.
there's pork belly, pig ears, pig feet, sausage, blood sausage, and a bunch of vegetables. You like it?
Taste the sulfur.
No, you don't.
I swear I
You're
do.
so silly.
It's really good.